Good day, and welcome back to our instructional documentation for our CPaaS platform. In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to send SMS campaigns from the ground up. Go to the Create Campaign section in the main menu. Select the SMS subcategory, and then the Bulk SMS option. If you haven't created a template for your campaign, leave the first tab empty and proceed to the account slot. Select the account from which you'll be sending your campaign. Pick a name for this campaign. Opt for a unique and distinctive name, as it will simplify things for you in the future. On the right-hand side, you'll find the Send Now option. Select this if you want to send the campaign immediately. If you prefer to schedule it for later, click on the Schedule option. If you choose to schedule your campaign, you'll see a phase option. To begin, specify the percentage of messages you want to send on the dates you'll specify later. If you intend to send 100% of the messages at the same time, simply select the date and time. Note that when you set the time, you must press OK to confirm the time settings. If you plan to divide your campaign into multiple delivery times, begin by specifying the percentage of messages you want to send during the first stage. Enter the percentage, then set the date and time. On the right side of the box, you'll notice a plus sign icon. Click this option to repeat the same process. Continue doing this until you've allocated the entire 100% of messages you intend to send. The first slot in Contacts will display a scroll-down menu. This option is only applicable if you've already uploaded a contact list. If you haven't, do not make any changes here and proceed to the bottom box. You can download a contact spreadsheet template by simply clicking on the Download the .csv template heading. Before proceeding, please ensure you've filled out the spreadsheet. It's crucial to correctly categorize each column and populate all of them with information. If any column is left empty, the platform will not allow you to upload your file. To upload the file, you can either click on the purple icon within the Upload Your File box or directly drag and drop the file into the same space. You'll know the file has been successfully uploaded when its information appears inside the dotted rectangle. Now it's time to map your contact list. Head to the right-hand side of the screen and select the name category you've assigned for the phone numbers in your contact sheet. Then go to the Wildcard section and select the categories you want to personalize in your SMS campaign. Proceed to enter the sender ID that will be sent along with your message. Please be aware that some country regulations may restrict the personalization of this information. Begin crafting your message by typing in the content you want to send. If you need wildcards, you'll find them right under the message slot. To use them, just click on the wildcard you want, and it will be automatically included in your message. Note that on the right-hand side of the screen, you'll find the encoding our platform has chosen for your message, along with the character limit it allows. This selection is made intelligently, considering the character types used within the message. Additionally, you can easily keep track of the characters in your message and the number of SMS parts that will be charged for sending your entire message. Now we're all set to move on to the testing phase. In the upper right-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a slot labeled Mobile Number. Please input the phone number to which you want to send a test SMS, always starting with the country and area code and ensuring there are no spaces between the numbers. Examine the mock phone screen to preview how the message will appear on mobile phones. Click the Verify Cost to determine the cost of one message and to identify the destination country for it. Click Send to dispatch a test SMS. If everything went smoothly, click Next to proceed to your campaign summary. In this window, you can review all your campaign's information. You can see the countries to which your campaign will be sent and pertinent details of your campaign, such as dates for delivery, balance available, and campaign total cost. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Done, then confirm your actions by clicking Generate in the pop-up window. A pop-up window in the bottom left-hand corner will confirm that everything was successful. And there you have it, our step-by-step guide to creating an SMS from scratch. We trust you found it useful. Thank you for choosing our CPaaS platform, and have a fantastic day.